everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to just give you a little overview and packing on the Rough and Tumble medium Hobo, and the one I wanted to feature today was a requested one that somebody was asking me about if I would do a video on, and I thought why not. This is the New Zealand Pebble, and I think it's a black base. And this is one I got off the limited page on the Rough and Tumble website. It is still available, so I will pop a link below in the comments so you guys can go check that out. So when I got this one, it actually didn't come with this black strap. It just comes just with the regular strap that you can use over your shoulder and as a backpack strap. I, however, chose to get an elevation strap in red just to go with it, which actually looks really good because this particular one has a beautiful red zipper. I think it's just red. I can't remember if there's a particular name for the red color it is, but it has the black zipper pull. As I said, it's New Zealand Pebble, so it is a lamb, and this one has beautiful pebbles on it. You can kind of have a look on both sides. It's just really, really pretty, and I really like how they've got this black base down here because it does kind of protect the pebbles from getting worn. So I really do love this bag a lot. It is, because it is lamb, it is a little floppy, and it is a medium, so it's bigger than the ones I normally have. So I don't get to use it a whole bunch, but I did use it today because we went down to Sydney, or I should get down to Sydney, because my husband finally got sworn back into the US Navy. So it is official, we are finally back in there, and we will be moving very soon now. So this was very handy today because I was able to wear it backpack style. So if you don't know, the Hobos packs from Rough and Tumble do go backpack, so you just pull this strap in together and it can be worn backpack style. And I was able to put things in there for both my girls because they had to come with us today. And it just has a very, very nice drape on the body, this bag, so it is very comfortable. And I did pair it with just a regular short, thick, wider Hobo strap. So I actually wore it both ways today. So I'm just going to show you how I have this particular one packed up so you can kind of get an idea of the size and maybe the capacity, and if this size bag would be good for what you would like to use it for. So I'm just going to basically do the top-down view of this particular Hobo. There aren't any pockets on the outside. This is just a regular Hobo pack. There aren't any loops on the side, so it's not a vintage hoop with the loops. It's just regular Hobo, but because it does have the features such as the red zipper and a different internal lining, and the bottom, the leather bottom, that's why it was on the limited page. This does have the red zipper on the top. I will just take this Hobo strap off real quick. These zippers are nice and smooth, and they do open quite wide, so it is very easy to look inside of this bag. Now, all the Hobo packs and some of the other ones on their website, actually all the styles kind of have the same layout. So this particular one has a zipper at the back with a little internal pocket. It has two pockets in the front side here. It has two loops that you can attach key fobs to. It actually does come with a long black key leash, and there's a hook on the side here that you can attach it to as well. And then inside the slip pockets, there's another slip pocket that's leather. So I kind of went with this particular size bag. I tend to put a lot of things in these slip pockets, otherwise it kind of falls around the bag and it can be hard to find. So I'll just take the things out in the middle first. So in the center here, I do have a large water bottle. This is it's bigger than a Fontainer, so I can't remember the exact capacity of it, but it does fit perfectly. Where I just happen to have it is it fits right here, like kind of in between the two pockets in the front, or I can put it in one of these slip pockets, and that works really well as well, but for now I've got it in there. And then I also have a wipe pouch just sideways in there for wipes. And I have a play pack in here too, GGB custom play pack that also has a little boogie board inside a case in here. I took that for my two girls when we stopped and had morning tea / brunch / whatever it was at that time. Inside here I also do have two things from McDonald's, because on the way home we stopped and got McDonald's. Now for our house to Sydney, it's about an hour and a half, like where we had to go. So we were in the car a long time today. Okay, so I'll do this back zipper first because that's it from the center in there. And this back zipper here, the nylon zipper, but it works quite well. There's a little slip pocket here, as I said before, and that's black. This particular one is black leather. I have a coin purse in here. I guess I have a business card too, with my hairbrush and hair ties and such. And then in the other part of the pocket, I've got a little coin purse with some penny liners, but there's still so much room in there. And just to let you know, you can fit like a play pack back there. If you're using this as a diaper bag, that's where I used to put nappies. When Clara was in nappies, I'd put the nappies and the wipes back here because it keeps it away from the rest of the bag, kind of hidden away. So it's a really nice size. And the small Hobos, it just fits. The medium, the nappies and stuff, and I had size 4 or 5 nappies, and they fit perfect back there. Okay, so that's it for that pocket. If you flip the bag around here so you just kind of see this a little bit better. So there are 2 slip pockets here. Now this lining here, real quick, this is not the standard bone lining. So this is because it's a limited bag, it has this particular lining in here. It is really nice. This is wipeable, so it's a nylon wipeable lining. And in this pocket here, let's see, I've got my phone, iPhone 10, and a cash pack in Huckleberry Pebble. It's just my wallet. That fit perfect in there. And then the little pocket behind that is actually big enough to fit a small set piece. This is all my lip products. And that slides in and out of there really well. That's what I do like the medium for, is those pockets are big enough for my small set piece. Then on this side, same size pocket, I've got some stuff from McDonald's popped in there. It's another small set piece with my Mummy Med Kit stuff. And a hand sanitizer, which I did actually use today. And then in this little slip pocket back here, which is another leather one, I have some Manuka honey lozenges. So I think that's it out of my bag. Or did I miss something? Oh, I think I missed something in this slip pocket here. I did. Okay, so I had a coin purse in the zipper pocket back there with some spare undies and trash bags, just in case Clara had an accident, although she doesn't usually these days. So just zip that up, and see, when this bag is empty, it is very floppy. It's not structured at all. So that's just something to remember, especially with the lamb leather. It is really soft and really squishy, which a lot of people love, and I do too. However, because it is so squishy, I have to really only use this bag if I'm going to pack it. Otherwise, it does kind of annoy me a little bit because it tends to fall in a lot. But this is the bag I think I'm going to take on the plane when we move as my carry-on, as my kind of handbag, because it does have a really nice capacity. I can fit scarves and everything and book and everything in there. So yeah, so that's my little kind of overview and packing of the Rough and Tumble medium Hobo in New Zealand Pebble, black base, black straps, and off the limited page. So yeah, so check that link out, I'll pop below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.